Missed and gathered in by Down. And in the corner, Kanan. Defensive gauntlets have been laid down. And they are being matched up to as Kalinic draws the foul in the act of shooting. Maybe looking to get on the score sheet now as he makes the three-point shot. Cody Miller-McIntyre. And it's a three-point blast from Zvezde to start this game. 5 of 7 from Reigns in another triple for the home side. Now 6 of 9 from deep. Two sides is the amount of court time. Well, mistake defensively by Baskonije. Nedovic. Zvezde scoreless in this period so far, but Kalinic more. Kalinic to Kanan. Oh, that's a beautiful play. That was drawn up in the timeout. Credit Coach Veropoulos. Kanan gets the corner. There, the extra pass. Kalinic, just like Coach said it would work. Have they iced it?